Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. We're so excited to show you guys this brand new rear door table for the Gen 4 Mitsubishi Pajeros. There's nothing like it on the market. There's no drilling required. It's super light and it's so easy to set up under 5 minutes. There's normally a black cover here that you just have to remove. There's 3 holes down the bottom that you have to utilize with the table, and then the rear door handle does need to come off. So there's 2 screws that we're now going to take off and then we're going to install it. Right, so we're now going to install it, guys. Now, over the last few months, we tackled some heavy corrugations, and then we realized just add some rubber if you do want to make sure the table doesn't vibrate when you go over corrugations and make strange noises. So it's just little tubes that you can get at your local hardware store or at Bunnings. That's where I went. Just down the bottom, there's going to be 3 slots that's going to go into this rear door. So we just want to make sure we put the rubbers on it. And let's now put it into the door so it just slides in nicely. There you go. Alrighty, so now we're going to put the handle back on, and as you can see, the table is specifically designed to suit the handle. So we're now going to put that in like that. There's also 2 screws that's applied with the kit and washers. Now these screws are extended just so it suits the table and can go into the back door. So what you want to do is make sure there's a washer on this end. So we're just going to poke it through. So that's 1 and 2. Right, so on this side of the door, you use these little washers. So 2 on the right hand side and 5 on this side. The reason for that is just so the door aligns so it's straight and it works with the door. So once you've added those washers, just make sure it goes back into the door. And now you can use your screwdriver just to make sure it's nice and tight. And there you go, guys, that is it. So you have more time to drink beers because it takes less time to install. How good. Right, so let's talk about this table, guys. Now, as you can see, it's so easy to set up. So it just utilizes the 2 bolts at the top and the holes at the bottom. So it's nice and sturdy. There's no drilling involved, which I absolutely love. Now, coming here to the locking mechanism, it's a solid locking mechanism. So that is open and closed, so it locks into place nice and sturdy. So let me show you. All right, so here it is, guys. So as you can see, it can take about 20 kilos. So that is just awesome, and there's no panels ripping out. With my previous door table, once I loaded up a bit, it would literally pop out on the side, which is no good at all. So with these rubbers as well, these are all supplied except for the rubber strip over here. So I just added that strip there just for extra protection against vibrations, but all the other ones are there, which is awesome. There's also pockets that you can still utilize as well. So if you have, say, a lot of spices and that sort of stuff, you can literally just chuck them in there, or you can chuck them at the bottom. What about your cutlery? You can also put that in there. Snake bite kits, first aid kits, that sort of stuff, you can put in there as well, and it's just awesome. So another great feature about this table, guys, is that it's made out of stainless steel for the top part and aluminium for the bottom part, just to keep the weights down to 7 kilos. So that is very, very good, and you can also feel it's nice and light. And then it's obviously powder coated as well for extra protection. We've actually had this table since we've had the short wheelbase Pajero, and we've tested it since. And as you can see, the table still looks pretty new. There's only a few scuff marks of things, you know, crashing into the table, which is, you know, it happens. But overall, it's still holding up very well. What I love about it as well, you can also put everything in there, and once you close up the table, everything is locked in place. So that is awesome. And it also uses door hinges, so yeah, that's the main deal. Like, those hinges won't break at all, and it's nice and sturdy, which is awesome. The great thing as well, if you want to change the height, you can also do so. So how you do it actually is you press this button either side. So you can press it in and it will go down, or you can press it in and go up, and you just feed the line through. So let's say if I feed it through like this, there you go, it's just going to hold it. So when I press it again, it's just going to go down. Another great feature, guys, and I'm going to get asked this question, is it suitable with people that have drawers? Now, I personally think so. These are the dimensions. So as you can see, once you close it up, guys, this is how slimline the door is. So I believe it was about 5 centimeters. So that's all it is. It's super slimline, so I reckon it will work with the drawers. Well guys, there you go. So it's just about time to get cooking. Good thing as well, it's not just limited for Australian customers. We are shipping these tables globally. So all of my international customers, you can get your hands on one as well. But anyway guys, what do you reckon? We are absolutely stoked with it, and we reckon you guys will love it. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, as always, drop it down below and we'll get to it. Otherwise, just jump onto the website for more information, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.